Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics question. We're given that the square root of 4m squared plus 41 is an integer. So our goal here is to find these integral values of m, right? So since this is an integer, so we can say let square root of 4m squared plus 41 equals k. Okay, now square both sides. So you square both sides, so we get square root of 4m squared plus 41 whole squared. This is equal to k squared. Now we know the square, we cancel the square roots, so we get 4m squared plus 41 is equal to k squared. Now this equation is same as k squared minus 4m squared is equal to 41. Now, did you realize something? Difference of two squares. This is k squared minus 2m squared. This is equal to 41. You know, the method we use here, we know that a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. So we call it difference of two squares formula. Okay, so here this is going to be k plus 2m multiplied by k minus 2m. So this is equal to 41. Okay, now we know that this 41 is prime, right? So we need to find its prime factorization. Okay, so we have only two numbers that are okay, one is not actually prime, 41 is prime, so it has only two divisors, right, which is 41 and 1. So we only have the case where we have k plus 2m multiplied by k minus 2m is equal to 41 multiplied by 1, right? So now we know for integer k and m, we know that obviously k plus 2m must be greater than k minus 2m. Okay, so now we have these two equations where k plus 2m is equal to 41 and k minus 2m is equal to 1. Okay, now let's solve for k. This we have two systems of equations, right? So this is simultaneous equation. So we can use the elimination method by simply adding both equations so that we can get rid of m. Then we have k plus k, which is 2k. This is equal to 41 plus 1 is 42. Now divide both sides by 2. We get k is equal to 21. Okay, now let's go back to the equation k squared minus 4m squared, that this is equal to 41. Now we're going to make our substitution for k, right? So we get k squared will be 21 squared, which is 441, minus 4m squared. This is equal to 41. Okay, now we have here 4m squared is equal to 441 minus 41. That will give us 400. Okay, so now from here, divide both sides by 4, we get m squared is equal to 100. Now take the square root of both sides, so we get m is equal to plus or minus the square root of 100, which will give us plus or minus 10. So we have two solutions for m. Remember, m is an integer. So we have positive 10 and negative 10. And this is our solution. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.